Coletti Classic Coffee Percolator. Let's unbox it and see what's in the box. Well packaged. Look at this. Wow. Comes with filters, instructions. That's the top. Here's the top. So you got the glass top for the percolator. You've got filters for it. There's the top of the percolator. Let's pull her out of the box. As you can see, it's packed well. Pieces are protected. This lid, you can't lose it. It's attached to the pot. So it's got packing around the filter box and around the handle. So to set it up, I've already put the glass handle into the lid. It just twists in and locks in place. You've got your basket here. You put your filter in there and your coffee grinds. Here's the filter that came with it. Put your coffee grinds in here. Put the lid on top and fill it with water. Put it in here and fire it up and let it percolate 5 to 10 minutes depending how strong coffee you want to. So there's your classic coffee percolator.